how to make and create Etsy shop icon on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now this is the home page, and go to the top here, click on create a design and search for Etsy, and now go down, click on Etsy shop icon, and it will take you to this page. Now here you will find many shop icons and logos that looks so professional. For example, this one, you can add your name, how to media, for example, and as you can see, it's so good. You can also edit everything, as I said, from this and all this stuff. You have many other templates, choose one of them and do the same thing. After you finish, click share and download. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you later.